What's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video for you. All right, now we're dealing with the Nvidia Shield. It went through a big old update that came out a day or two ago. Today is the 9th of May, 2025, and I wanted to do it yesterday on the 8th, but as you know, this device right here, the Orin 4K Plus, came out, which is very, very good. This is probably going to be considered the Fire TV Stick killer. But in this video, we're going to talk about the Nvidia Shield, all right? And the huge, mega update that came up. Let's take a look at it. Here it is on the Shield right here. Hopefully you can see this. This is the Shield Experience Upgrade 9.2.1. Now, I don't know how large it is, but if you don't see it right here on your home screen, all you have to do is go up here to your settings. You see it right here, settings. All right, go down to device preference. Let's see it. And it should be in the about session, all right? And then you can say select system upgrade and then check for upgrade. Right here, I always leave my upgrade off, all right? Because I need to see exactly what's going on, all right? That's just me, all right? You can do whatever you want to do. If you want it on auto upgrade, just turn it on and it will turn blue. But you can check for it, and then you see where it says check for upgrades. You see it right there, all right? So while we're here, let's go and see what's new in this bad boy. So the Shield Experience Upgrade 9.2.1. You see upgraded apps, supports the stream games on Nvidia GeForce Now at 120 frames per second, up to 1080p resolution. GeForce Now Ultimate membership required. All right, so this is for all you gamers that has GeForce. All right, I'm not a gamer. I told y'all many times I am not a gamer, so that won't be for me. All right, so it just depends on if you're a gamer or not, at least in that part. Let's see more. Resolve buff. This is night mode being skipped when DAP is on. Fixes Dolby Vision content stutters when frame match feature is enabled. Fix match content audio resolution while using a USB dock. Add back HQS mass rate option for USB audio. USB TV tuner fix with live channel app. Fixes playback issues in Plex when using AAC 5.1 audio. Fixes connection issues with third-party remote after sleep or reboot. All right, and so as y'all know about the previous upgrade 9.2, it was a little bit of audio. That's pretty much what it was fixing. So again, everything it is what it is. But let's go ahead and download and install the Shield Experience. Again, this could be something that you're going through. For me, I look at the Shield. I don't look at it enough to even know if anything is going on, but hopefully this assists and helps someone. So I'm going to do download and install. And look at it. It is what? 1003.3.1 megabytes. Let's see how long it takes. I do have my Nvidia Shield plugged into Ethernet, so hopefully it goes kind of fast. If not, if I see anything like delaying and all of that, I will pause the video and come back as it's doing it in real time. All right, so we'll see. But let's go. Nvidia Shield has been around a long time, guys. Some of y'all love y'all Nvidia Shield. Me, I love it, but I also love other devices as well. All right. So it's download, checking file integrity. See how long this taking. I'm doing this in real time, guys. That way you know exactly what you're going to do. And if I break my device, you know not to follow me. All right. So preparing to install. Shield will restart shortly. So we're going to watch it in real time, guys. Real time. Let's see. It is taking a nice little second, though. All right. All right. Audio Android update. It is. I got a black screen. All right. I see something going on. All right. Nvidia logo. Again, this is the Nvidia Shield TV the latest, not, I'll just say latest update, the Shield Experience 9.2.1. So it looked like it's going through it's not delaying or anything like that, but it says upgrading your Shield experience. You see the laser going from left to right. And so I'm waiting and I'm waiting. Hopefully it just doesn't take long, guys. It don't. Sometimes, depending on the device, sometimes it can take a little lengthy time. But hopefully, because I got it plugged up, directly through the Ethernet, we are good to go. Ah, man. Ain't nothing like that good H2O, that good old water. How many of y'all are out there still using your Nvidia Shield? Do you like it? Have you moved on from it? Do you keep it in one part of your room like mine's? I do have one upstairs. I don't watch it in my living room. Currently, I'm on my Zedu Z20. Stay tuned because I'm going to have some videos on that, on how you can, plug up a DOS to your device and then go from there. But we get to it. If you're subscribed, if you're not subscribed to me, definitely subscribe because I go live, Mondays and Fridays. Long as work, it's not crazy. So we're nearing the end. We're running on about 4 minutes now. So it says upgrading your Shield experience. So we almost at the end. Again, we're doing this in real time. All right, real time. All right, we got a black screen. All right, let's see. Come on now. Don't play with us. It's still a black screen. All right, now we got a little light. Should get that logo right there that we see it. All right, let's see what they got for us. There we go. Come on. All right, Android. So I think we're nearing the end here, which is not bad at all. Again, I'm doing this in real time. I'm not pausing or anything like that. But I would like to hear what devices you are currently using. How many devices are in your home that you're currently using? Like in my bedroom, I got the Apple TV, right? Apple TV 4K. In the living room, I got the Zedu, I got the Formula, and I got the Nvidia Shield right there. Down here, I use everything: Zedu, Nvidia Shield, on 4K, another Zedu, a little bit of everything. All right. So here it is right here. It's telling us upgraded apps and things like that. Uh, I'm using look like something tried to pop up at the bottom. I probably better hold off before I even touch anything. All right. But we can see. I'm gonna hit the home button. Let's see. Oh, press the back button to dismiss. All right. All right. So it got finishing upgrade. Okay. We're almost there, guys. We are almost there. All right. So we got that. It looked like it's coming up. And guys, like I always tell you, always give it about 30, 45 seconds before you go in tampering with anything. And then we'll check and see if the update actually went through. All right. Let's give it another about 20 seconds. But let everything, come back up, let certain features present itself. Don't just go in jumping. All right. Been telling you this for years. All right. Been telling you this for years. All right. So as you go on in, look like it's fairly the same. All right. But let's go up here. Let's go to settings. Okay. Device preference. About. Let's go system upgrade. Let's check for updates. Check for upgrade. It says your system is up to date. Last check, May 9th, 2025. What is that? 5/31/40. So it started at 5/31, or at least it finished updating it at 5/31. And you see the version 9.2.1, and it says my system is up to date. So again, just depending on it, looked like it was geared towards gaming and audio, USB, things like that. Let's see what this notification is. I don't need that. I can close that out. But it's pretty much the same. I mean, everything is good to go. I cannot complain. Hopefully, nobody Nvidia Shield messes up after this, and we should be good to go. All right. So, guys, I think this was pretty easy to do, depending on your network speed. It only took about 4 or 5 minutes, so much, somewhere around there. So we're good to go. If you have any questions, again, leave them in the comments. Let me know your current devices. How many are you using? What devices are you using? Do you dislike the Nvidia Shield? Do you like the Nvidia Shield? But let me know what you're currently using in your home, and then let's get the conversation going. All right. This is Superdell. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and also click that bell icon right there on YouTube, and then select always. All right. Select it. That way you get notified of all my videos, all right, and my live feeds. You'll get notified. All right. Until then, guys, salute. Thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you on the next one. This is Superdell, and I am officially out. Peace.